everyone. আজি আমি class 11 or class 12 or maths or matrix chapter 2 matrix multiplication part 2 একদম briefly এবাৰ discuss কৰিছা okay so basically matrix multiplication কেনেকৈ কৰো আমি suppose you have a matrix A আৰু matrix or order to হয় m cross n এই matrix to লগত আমি আৰু এটা matrix multiply কৰি আছো হে matrix to order to কি হ'ব লাগিব n cross p তাৰমানে for the two matrices that are to be multiplied first matrix to number of columns and second matrix to number of rows equal hobo lagibo tetia hole he multiplication to valid hoy no hole multiplication ami koriboi noarim this is the only condition that is to be satisfied for two matrices to be multiplied first matrix or row second matrix or column gt hobo pare eto kono problem nai jitu product to ahibo suppose it gives us c matrix or number of rows hobo m and number of columns hobo p okay so next we will see this by an example stay tuned